Irony Unveiled. Mastering verbal irony in jokes and storytelling. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of verbal irony, one of the key elements that make jokes and stories engaging and amusing. Verbal irony is a powerful tool that can spice up your conversations and make your storytelling more captivating. Ready to explore? Let's get started. Verbal irony is when what is said is the opposite of the literal meaning. It's a form of indirect communication that often uses sarcasm, understatement, or overstatement. It's used to add humor, critique, or emphasize a point. For example, if you see a person walking outside during a heavy rainstorm and you say, "Lovely weather we're having," that's verbal irony. You're saying the opposite of what you mean for effect. Remember, the key to verbal irony is the contrast between what is said and what is meant. Verbal irony is often used in jokes to create humor through unexpected twists. Let's take this joke as an example. Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm? Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans stalk. Here, the punchline is verbally ironic because it takes everyday expressions and gives them a literal, humorous twist. Understanding and using verbal irony can help you understand and create jokes that are nuanced and funny in English. In storytelling, verbal irony can add depth and humor to characters and situations. It can make a simple story more complex and interesting. Imagine a story where a character, known for being late, arrives early to a meeting. A colleague might say, "Well, look who's early for once. The world must be ending." The irony comes from the unexpected event, the always late person being early, and the exaggerated statement, the world ending. When telling a story, use verbal irony to highlight character traits, contrast expectations, and create humorous situations. There you have it, friends. Verbal irony is a wonderful way to add wit and humor to your English conversations, jokes, and stories. Practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using irony in your everyday language. The more you use it, the better you'll get. And remember, learning English should always be fun. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.